It takes pressure, it takes confidence, it takes years of sacrifice, and I've got all those things. I'm gonna make something special happen September 7th in Abu Dhabi. I'm gonna shock the world.
How difficult is this fight with Dustin Poireir?
What's up, guys? You guys remember this T-Mobile Arena last time? What I did here? Nothing changed. I'm gonna do this in Abu Dhabi too. Defend my title, but without jumping. But about Dustin Poireir, Dustin is tough guy. You know, he have more than 20 fights in UFC. He have good experience. And honestly, like last fight, I expect Max gonna beat him. This one is a little bit surprise for me. He have good boxing, good footwork, but last 6 fights, he fight with only striking guys. He never fight with guy who all the time wrestling with him like my style. I think it's gonna be tough night for him. This is my opinion because he have to be ready. I'm gonna wrestle with him all night, make him to be ready. I'm gonna wrestle with him all night, make him tyrant because he have to be ready. I'm gonna wrestle with him all night, make him tyrant because he have to be ready. I'm gonna wrestle with him all night, make him tyrant and make him tap. This is my plan.
What's your idea for your plan as a champion? Are you somebody that wants to fight frequently? Do you want to beat everybody out there? Are you just looking for 1 or 2 fights? We've heard you may retire sometime soon. I mean, what are your plans as champion?
I just want to mold people. This is what I want to do. I just want to mold people. This is what I want to do. I just want to mold people. This is what I want to do. You know, doesn't matter, Dustin, Tony, or other opponents, doesn't matter. When I go to the cage, I mold my opponents. All my life, 27-0. People talk about his 6 win streak. What about 27 win streak? And 11 years undefeated.